In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search within a document in Google Docs. It's a straightforward process, but knowing how to effectively search for specific text can save you a lot of time and hassle, especially when working with lengthy documents. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to Google Docs. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing Google Docs into the search bar. Click on the link to access Google Docs. From here, sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main Google Docs homepage, you'll see a selection of your documents. Choose the document you want to search within by clicking on it. Doing so will open the document in a new tab within your browser. Now that you have your document open, the next step is to initiate the search feature. To do this, simply press Ctrl F on your keyboard. If you're using a Mac, you'll want to press Command F instead. This is a universal shortcut, so once you press these keys, you'll notice a small search box appear in the upper right corner of your document window. With the search box now open, type in the word or phrase you're looking for. As you type, Google Docs automatically begins searching the document for matches. You'll notice that your search term will appear highlighted in yellow throughout the document, making it easy to spot each instance of that word or phrase. If there are multiple occurrences, small arrows next to the search box will allow you to navigate through each result sequentially, jumping you to each area of the document where your search term appears. This feature is especially handy when reviewing large documents where manually scanning for information would be inefficient. This method is not only limited to words but can also be used for searching phrases or specific strings of text. Keep in mind that the search feature is case insensitive, which means it doesn't distinguish between uppercase and lowercase letters. If you need to replace a word or phrase, Google Docs also offers a Find and Replace option, accessible through the menu. But for today's purpose, simply highlighting and locating the words is what we're focusing on. Using the search feature in Google Docs is a simple yet powerful tool, allowing you to concentrate more on your writing and less on worrying about finding the information you need. I hope this guide helps streamline your work process and allows you to navigate your documents more efficiently. Thank you for joining me today, and I encourage you to explore more features in Google Docs to further enhance your productivity.